It is a beautiful March morning, March 1st to be exact, in the lovely town of Dartmouth, Massachusetts. How's it going, everybody? Been a while. I know I promised a few other videos, and I've just been so busy with everything. After the storm, I went to Providence. I helped with Monster Jam in Providence. And then 2 weeks later, helped out in Worcester. And then I've just been working pretty much ever since. But quick little montage of that storm right here. This is just the beginning. You can see that. This is in Massachusetts right now. We're gonna have a field day today. Had to make a pathway to the laundry door where you have a downstairs laundry. The driveway is pretty much covered, but made a pathway to the mailbox, even though I guarantee we're not gonna get any mail. Shoveled around through the car. Gonna get the neighbor's car a little bit later on. It is just brutal out here. It really is. I feel like it's already, God, maybe like 6-7 inches of snow. And this is just the beginning. I think a record high of at least like 20 to 24 throughout the day. This is the, it's about like 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon right now, and blizzard is still kind of going on, but this is how deep it is. I'm not a expert when it comes to measuring snow, but I want to say that's probably around like a little over a foot or so of snow. But it's been kind of hectic. Over there is one of the snow piles. Well, there's one there, and where all the cars are parked, there's one right there too. That's been massively built up with snow. This has been one hell of a day, but I can only wonder how tomorrow will go. Good morning. It is the Sunday, January the 30th. Beautiful sunny day, but look at the aftermath we got. This is from one of the loaders, actually. That big snow pile. I'm actually very surprised that we got that much. Reports I've read said that we got about 16 to 20 inches for the town of Dartmouth. There's another pile there, another one there. This one was a brutal one. Today, this isn't about the storm. I have told you all plenty of times before, I have quite a boatload of merchandise, and I'm going to show it to you all, but it's not upstairs, it's down here, and let's just say it's quite a lot, and I'm going to have to turn on my flashlight for it because I don't believe there's another light on this side here. So we're going to take a look at what I have. We are down here, and pretty much all around, as you can see here, this is pretty much what I got. But there is a light switch there, but I don't even know if that's connected to anything. But this is a chair from WrestleMania 36, I believe, in 2020. I would have gone to that show had the pandemic not hit. Oh yeah, a lot of NASCAR die-casts in this one. Underneath, Terry Labonte. Oh, Michael Waltrip. Yeah, I pretty much got like a good majority of NASCAR in this. Inside this one, pretty much same thing. A few Terry Labonte cards in here. I mean, I'm a huge Terry Labonte fan. Some more NHRA, not NHRA, some more NASCAR in here. More Terry Labonte, Dale Jarrett, Ryan Newman, I believe that's Mark Martin. Ward Burton car here. Jeff Burton. For anybody who's wondering where I got these, your local flea market. Check some of those. I know I got mine from my flea market in Raynham, Mass. So it's always a good spot to check for some stuff there. Let's try this one. Oh yeah, this is the mother load. I got what I was looking for. Let's see, what do we got? John Force, I believe this is his 96 car. Yep, there it is. Another John Force one here, his 96 Winston Champ car. Which one's this one? John Force 97 Mustang. John Force 95, I believe. Yep, 95. John Force. This one's a dragster. Corey McClenathan's 97 Top Fuel dragster. Hey, another John Force. Alright, so this one's pretty much John Force on a Dale Jarrett Interstate battery car. Alright. This one's a good majority of like either or. So John Force 93 Oldsmobile. I also have some wrestling stuff in here too. Battle Pack of the Iconics, Pete Dunne Elite, Undisputed Era 3-pack. John Force 94 Oldsmobile. I think that's the Shield 3-pack down there. Alright, so there's probably some stuff upstairs that I haven't checked of funny car wise, but yeah, good decent amount of stuff I think. Shit ton of cobwebs all over the place. But not too bad for a little basement to put your stuff down there. I know I have 2 more totes upstairs, so let's go upstairs. Alright, we're back up here, and one thing I don't know about you guys, but whenever you get a new phone, do you keep your boxes? Because I have my iPhone 6, my iPhone XR, and my current phone, iPhone 12 Plus, or Pro Plus, whatever the hell it is, but yeah, a little fun fact, I still keep the boxes. Alright, I think this might be the gold. Have we struck gold? Yes, we have. I see quite a few in there. Okay, we have quite a few. Alright, so let me actually position this up just a little bit more. So we actually have quite a few funny cars here. Gonna open up the first one. One of my favorite funny car racers from back in the day. Al Hoffman in the Western Auto Texaco Haviland car. I think this is his 1996 Pontiac here. Was a top rivalry to John Force for quite a while. Rest in peace to a legend. Our next one here, this I have to give a major shout out to a friend of mine. Her name's Joy. She actually works for Bob Tasca, and she can get her hands on these easily. And this is one of his diecast funny cars. Very, very beautiful here, and it's also autographed too on the hood. Major thank you, Joy, very, very much. In case if you ever see this, I don't know why you would. I'm gonna put that there. Next up, this one here, another one of my favorite racers from back then. Come on. Dean Scusa and his Matco Tools funny car. I think this is his Dodge. I know it's a Dodge, but I don't know if it's a Dakota or whatever. But Matco Tools funny car of Dean Scusa. He was one of my favorites back then too. And this one's probably one of my favorites. You got to bury the competition. Jim Epler's WWF Undertaker funny car. This thing is beautiful. I think this ran from 99 or 2000, I think. The box on here says 2000, but I could have sworn this ran in 99. Jerry Tolliver also drove it too. But this is Jim Epler's baby here. Put the body on. The eyes of the dead man. Also has the roof hatch too. It's a cool piece. And then to cap off this list, I'll probably go back downstairs to grab the other John Force cars. I'm not quite so sure. I mean, I already have one here. It's actually missing the blower. You can see right inside the hood scoop. But this one here, an underrated one of Whit Bazemore. Towards the end of the 95 season, he drove the Mobile 1 funny car. This one a Dodge too? I believe it is. Does it say on here? Yep, Dodge Mobile 1 funny car. Whit Bazemore actually ran his first 300-mile-an-hour pass with this car. I've been a funny car collector for quite a while, and you know, it's always good to see it grow. I like to try to get more than just one specific driver. I've been trying to get Whit Bazemore cars. I've been trying to get Kenny Bernstein cars, but a lot of them are just way too expensive. Some of them are like $75, $65 on eBay. Some of the cars I've gotten here are from my local flea market. I've gotten them for like $10, $15. And back in the day when you tried to order these, they were like $50 to $60. But, you know, this actually is a pretty cool setup. And like I said, I'm hoping to get more. But that is going to wrap it up for this one, guys. You know, I'm going to try to do more of these as much as I can. I really hope to, like, I want to put out newer content. Not just monster truck content, like, you know, like a lot of what I do in my life. Things like that in case you want to be for the ride. You know, it's just, I just want to do something different. I've always wanted to, and the only way to do that is to just put new stuff out there, see what people like. And, you know, I hope you all like this one. If you want to see more, I'd be more than happy to give it to you. In the meantime, happy March. I just hope, you know, this is March 1st that this recording is being on. I hope that the MLB season is going to be happening. I'm probably going to do a few Red Sox vlogs because I'm a huge baseball fan. I love the Red Sox and some new content out there. So sorry, monster truck and motorsports fans, if you don't like baseball. But thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.